float downstream. If we can get to the bridge, we can be fine. But that's too bad.
We're looking at Highway
Step off in
249.
it, Mom, get a good picture.
We're looking at Highway 249, southbound.
All right, baby, I love you.
We're on the southern edge of Pinehurst.
Here, take a look at the manhole, Bob.
If y'all look down further,
All right, baby, I love you. Stay on when I can get there.
that's Spring Creek.
Oh, we're having fun. It's just ain't nothing but a blood.
You see Spring Creek, it's across the road, people.
Okay. Dirty. Almost got my boots dirty.
Yeah, well,
That was. That was good shot to get that one.
yes it is.
Buckle.
Yeah,
Let's get one.
good night. Well, yeah, I did fuck her. I ate her out, too.
Down the airboat. Big truck down the river. Fucking sweet. Isn't this the best day of work ever?
Y'all ain't going nowhere. I don't know what the fuck you driving down there for.
Oh, God.
Yep.
Just think, Bob, we're so fucking close.
All I gotta do is cross that little river down there and go home.
Just make it that freaking bridge.
I can't cross it anywhere.
No. I've already tried about 5 fucking places. This was way earlier before y'all even thought about something.